Welcome to another video. We have a fascinating Harvard University entrance examination question before us. We have 5 raised to the power of x minus 5s is equal to 15. S is equal to what? Let us go ahead now and find the value of x. Let's get started. Before we commence, I would like you to consider subscribing to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. We simplify mathematical problems here on this channel. Now let us answer this question. To answer this question, we are going to use the famous Lambert W function. According to the Lambert W function, if we have, say, x times e raised to the power of x, if we apply the Lambert W to this expression in the parentheses, the whole of the left-hand side is just equal to x. Let us move this minus 5s to the right-hand side. We have 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 15 plus 5x. This will give us 5 raised to the power of x is equal to, let us factor out 5 here. We have 5. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3 plus 5s divided by 5 will give us x. Now let us divide both sides by 5. We have 5 raised to the power of x divided by 5 is equal to 5 times 3 plus x divided by 5. 5 will cancel 5 here. This 5 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power of 1. Okay? If we apply the division law of indices, this will give us 5 raised to the power of x minus 1. And this is equal to, here we'll be left with 3 plus x. Now let us make a substitution. Let us replace 3 plus x with y. Let 3 plus x equal to y. Let us make s the subject of the equation. We have that x is equal to y minus 3. Okay, in this equation, we will replace x with y minus 3. And we replace 3 plus x with y. This will give us 5 raised to the power of y minus 3 minus 1 will give us minus 4, which is equal to y. We can express this as 5 raised to the power of y times 5 raised to the power of minus 4. And this is equal to y. If we apply the multiplication law of indices, this will give us back this expression. Now, what are we going to do next? Remember, our goal is to make the left-hand side and the right-hand side to be in the form specified by the Lambert W function. Now, let us make the left-hand side to contain the constant, while the right-hand side contains the variable. To achieve this, let us divide both sides of the equation by 5 raised to the power of y. This will cancel. We will have 5 raised to the power of minus 4 is equal to, so we are going to have y times 5 raised to the power of minus y. If we have 1 over a, this is equal to a raised to the power of minus 1. We apply this rule to the denominator. Okay, we have 5 raised to the power of minus 4 is equal to y times, I'm going to write this as e raised to the power of the natural log of 5 raised to the power of minus y. If we have e raised to the power of natural log of k, this is equal to k, because e and natural log are inverse. They cancel each other. Okay? Here, e and natural log will cancel each other. We'll be left with 5 raised to the power of minus y, which is the same thing as 5 raised to the power of minus y. We have 5 raised to the power of minus 4 is equal to y times e. This power minus y will come to the back. So we have minus y times the natural log of 5. On the right hand side, we are going to make this base to be the same as the exponent. Okay? To do so, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by minus natural log of 5. You will notice that this term is the same as the exponent. We can now apply the Lambert W to both sides of the equation. Okay, here, according to the Lambert W, the whole of the right hand side is just equal to minus y times the natural log of 5. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to manipulate the left hand side so that it will be in the form specified by the Lambert W. Here we have the Lambert W minus 5 raised to the power of minus 4 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1 times 5 raised to the power of minus 5. Instead of this, we are going to replace it with this. Okay, we have the Lambert W. We are going to move this minus 5, okay, to become an exponent of 5, okay. So here we are going to have 5 raised to the power of minus 5 times the natural log of 5 raised to the power of minus 5 is equal to minus y times the natural log of 5. We have the Lambert W. I am going to swap the positions of these two numbers. We have the Lambert W, natural log of 5 raised to the power of minus 5 times, I'm going to write this as e raised to the power of the natural log of 5 raised to the power of minus 5. And this is equal to minus y times the natural log of 5. You will notice that this base is the same as this exponent, okay? According to the Lambert W, the whole of the left-hand side is just equal to the natural log of 5 raised to the power of minus 5. Now, let us solve for the value of y. We are going to have minus 5 times the natural log of 5 is equal to minus y times the natural log of 5. Now, let us divide both sides of the equation by minus the natural log of 5. Minus will cancel with minus. Natural log of 5 will cancel with natural log of 5. And here, minus will cancel with minus. Natural log of 5 will cancel with natural log of 5. On the left hand side, we will be left with 5. On the right hand side, we will be left with y. We have that y is equal to 5. Recall that we made a substitution where we said 3 plus s is equal to y. Now let's find the value of x since we know the value of y. So here we have 3 plus x is equal to y, and y is equal to 5. We have that x is equal to 5 minus 3. We have that x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel. And do remember to like, comment and share this video. All the best.